Today I'm going to show you how to change this manifold absolute pressure sensor, also known as MAP sensor, on this GM 3.4 liter engine. Now on each side of the MAP sensor, between the connector, there's two screws, 7 millimeters. Remove them. Now once you got the two screws removed, you can leave them on. Just make sure they don't fall down. Just pull it back, and right underneath the vacuum tube, just lift it up. You might have to pry it up. And then disconnect the connector. Right here, there's the tab. Now to install the MAP sensor, plug in the connector. Once you got the connector on, plug into the vacuum hose and then install the screws. Now once you get the screws in, tie them down. And that's how you install the MAP sensor.